What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I have this pure protein Scorchin hot puffs that I'm going to review for you. I'll be right back. All right, before I get started with this review, I got a little disclaimer. So my review of this is not my recommendation for you to go out and buy it. It's just me sharing my personal experience as with me trying this product. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to use supplements, please make sure you consult with your doctor and that you're healthy enough to do it. And make sure you read all the directions on the label. Okay, guys. So what was I looking for when I saw this? So basically, I saw this and I'm like, yep, let me go ahead and grab that because I like to snack. And sometimes I don't eat the healthiest snacks, but I strive to eat healthier snacking, especially when it comes to protein. Basically, I like puffs and I like hot stuff and I like protein and I like snacking. So this is that led me to this. I also knew I could try this and review it for you. And snacking is something that I feel like is super important, especially healthy snacking and when it comes to muscle building. And if you caught my last video, 3 muscle building benefits of healthy snacking, hopefully you saw that. You saw the importance of what snacking can do for you when you're trying to build muscle. All right, so this right here could fit into that category. And so how much did I pay for this? So basically, this is a 4-pack, so I paid about $7 for this 4-pack. But there's in the link below, there is a 12-pack that you could get to if you click on that link for about $20. And at the time of this recording, prices are going up, so it could be more, or maybe you catch it on sale, it could be less. But for 12, you can get it for $20, okay? And you can get it from the link below. Where did I buy it? You can order this from Amazon, and again, I have a link below for that. And so let me show you the product really quick before I go on any further. So this is what a bag looks like, and I think I have one more bag left in here. So this is what a bag looks like. This bag I have over here is open because I started snacking on it so I could show you. So let me show you what it looks like here. So this is it, and puffs. So puffs are, they are actually kind of small when you compare them to like a Cheetos or something like that, but pretty crunchy, and they do have a little kick to them. So if you like hot stuff, this definitely could possibly come in handy for that. As far as the nutrients that go in this, this bag is 1 serving size. It's 130 calories to this, 5 grams of fat, 3 carbs, and 18 grams of protein. Right there. So for a snack, if you're going to replace like chips or something like that, and you're looking for protein, but you also like to snack, this could be something this is definitely what I consider. So what are the 3 best qualities that I experience with this? So one is good flavor. So usually these protein products like this, sometimes they can be hit or miss with flavor. This actually has good flavor. Number 2 quality is this is a good replacement for the snack food version. Plus it has 18 grams. So instead of eating like Cheetos or something like that, you grab some of these and now you're getting 18 grams of protein that your body can use to help you build muscle in between your meals. And number 3 is there's no artificial flavors or sweeteners. So I thought that was really good. Plus this is gluten-free. And I know if, like for my wife, she eats gluten-free. So to be able to snack on these and have something that's gluten-free and that has a good flavor, then that's a win-win. What are 3 downsides to this? One is they are a little more hard. So they're a little harder than puffy, or if you compare them to a Cheeto, they're tougher than a Cheeto. But that could throw you off. But now that you watch this video, if you decide to try them, then you're not so caught off guard. And the price is a little high in my opinion. Okay, so $20 for 12 bags of these. I mean, that can be a little high, but at the same time, if you're eating snack foods and you're getting 18 grams of protein per and only 130 calories and you're getting satisfied from that, then it could be a win for you. All right. How did this impact my workout? Just like with any other protein, this is great for muscle building. So it's one of those things where in between, so when you're working out, you're basically breaking down your muscle because you're working out. Then you eat and you're building muscle, and then in between your meals, if you take too long in between your meals, you're going to start breaking down muscle. Your body's going to start using that for your organs and just for energy and everything else, right? So that's where the nutrients are held in your muscles. So you can break it down. But if you're snacking, then you're stopping your body from using your muscle for the energy and things like that. So how do I rate this product on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best? I give this a 7. So this is really decent. Again, I like the Scorchin hot flavor. There's other flavors you can get to from the link that I post below. There's definitely other flavors you'll see, but I like the Scorchin hot. I like the 18 grams of protein for a snack, and having these with a protein shake or something like that, just as an added crunchiness, that like a salt to the sweet of the protein shake, is definitely a good companion in my book. All right, so how can you use this product if you did decide to use it? You can use this to assist in getting your daily protein, in which helps keeps you in the muscle building phase, like muscle building instead of muscle breakdown, right? So hopefully this helped you guys. If you want to follow me on social media, from Instagram at thisisb_Rob, you can get to my Instagram account there. My website is thisisbrob.com, and you can get to all my other stuff, my coaching and the podcast, Elevate the Great podcast. But please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, leave me some comments. Thank you for tuning in. This is B Rob.